What's up guys, today we have a review of the light from AliExpress which cost around 10 bucks, and this is mini LED video light, that's how it's called. The model is from the brand called Ulanzi, that is Chinese brand that produce actually and specified on these accessories, LED accessories for video production or for like photos, stories, TikTok and all the others. And the model is VL49 RGB, and the price of the thing is around 10 bucks only, so it's a really cheap one, but should be good. So they call it vlog now with Ulanzi, so it's for vlogging, maybe for some other video recording or photo making. What they have here is a light temperature from 2.5K up to 9K. Also the battery here is 3.7 volts, 2000 milliampere hours. RGB control, it's portable, and 13 kinds of light effects here. Also what's written that brightness is 800 lux, 0.5 meters. Number of the LEDs are 60 pieces. Also the lightning distance up to 5 meters, and battery working 2 hours with maximum output and 10 hours with low output, and power is 6 watt. Alright, so let's open it up and check it here, what we've got inside of this box. Actually here is just silica gel, don't eat it, of course. Protection, you've got a Type-C USB cable, very normal, very cheap. It's some quality mark, quality certification, and manual. Okay, let's see the user manual first. It's in Chinese and English available, no, or not available, let's see. For now it's only Chinese. Chinese. Alright, so we have some part of it here. So all the product description, what it shows: color, temperature, brightness and power on the screen. Also RGB mode interface, so you have color value, brightness and power. Effect modes, so you've got 13 effects: cop car, ambulance, fire engine, emergency, fireworks, TV, party, HCI, slow, RGB strobe, red flash, green flash and blue flash. And the package list is here, so let's open it up. Let's skip the manual and open what we've got. So that's how it looks like. Not that heavy, looks quite high quality. And here you have the 3.4 that you can put it together on your camera as well, on top of it, or just on a tripod directly. Also this one is controllable. The color is black from the front frame. It's matte, and the color is something like between gold and silver. From left and right you have, I don't know for what, maybe also for putting a camera or holding it this way. Type-C charging, and the model is here, so let's turn it on. So you have the scene directly, you have the battery indicator here, and the color indicator from 0 to 360 degree. Let's cop car. Actually it's the first scene. Okay, let's just switch firstly to regular light. So you can select the color, temperature here, and the brightness level. As you see, the color temperature is changing. That's the minimum one, it's quite yellow. And let's put to the cold one, around 10K. I will show you later on in this video the testing in a fully dark room, so it's 9K the maximum. And also that's the brightness level, of course, from 0 to 100% can be selected. 0, 1, 2, and then you can go to up to 100%. Very nice thing to have with you. Okay, That's actually two only variables that can be selected. Let's hold it up, and then you have the color change. So brightness, let's put to maximum, and let's change the colors. Actually here you have this from 0 to 360-degree color, and you can choose if you need yellow, for example. You see it's around 40 and it's going more yellow, then green is coming. After green, so Tiffany color, then blue, purple, pink, and I think red is the last one. It's 360 and 0, and then it started again. The second mode can be selected, and the third mode is 13 different scenes. So the first one is a cop car. Okay, it's not selectable here. Yeah, it's just one option. Ambulance, fire engine, emergency. It's like SOS, I guess. Fireworks, just different colors. Mode TV, party, HSI slow, HSI fast, so it's just changing the color. RGB strobe, red flash, green flash, blue flash. So 13 scenes. Actually the battery life is on maximum is up to 2 hours, and on the minimum is around 10 hours. So let's go to the dark room and test more precisely how the light is. Alright, we are in a fully dark room, so let's test it out. This is 100, and let's change it to less. 90%, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and this is the minimum brightness of 1%, almost not visible. You see it here. You can count actually. Okay, let's a bit increase it, and let's try that way. I'll put it up and find the bottom, and let's increase. So that's the maximum. Now let's change the temperature. As you see, it's changing. 8K, 7K, 6K, 5K, 4K, 3K, and 2.5K, almost yellow. You see it here. Let's try the colors. So it's 54. Let's change to 100% and try the different colors. 100% here. So let's start from 1, which is red, and let's move on through all the colors available. 50 degrees, 60, 70, I don't know whether it's visible to you. I think camera will not really transfer the color, but more or less similar that I see right now. Okay, purple, pink, red. Okay, it's going again. And let's try the modes in the darkness. Cop car. Next one, ambulance. Fire engine. Emergency. Fireworks. TV. Party. HSI slow. HSI fast. Just changing the different color. RGB strobe. Red flash. Green flash. Blue flash. Alright, that's actually pretty much it. I think it's really nice, and I think it definitely worth the $10 that you can buy it on AliExpress during the sales. Usual price is around $15, as you have quite nice battery, very convenient control here. You can install it on your camera or just handle with you with your hand or a tripod. Quite useful device, and I guess it's must have for any like video blogging activities. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.